What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Ted back with another vid. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing today, man? So, I just got off work, man. I'm tired as shit. I'm supposed to go get Cortez, but I'm not going to. But, hey, y'all remember this dude right here? It might be before some of y'all's time. This dude, Alf, remember him? Shit. That man was a player, boy.
Wait, let me tell you something. I'm the mayor of Debonair, and I'm about to be player extraordinaire. So there.
Yeah, I'm about to go to Dickerson Market and get this fried chicken, some french fries, and coleslaw, y'all. Yeah, that shit about to be that work. You heard me. The chicken that you thought a brother would have made, cooked by white folk. And the shit is that work, young. What? Shit busting. Trying to tell you all day long. But yeah, let's go do this, y'all. So y'all see it. I'm outside of this market. Let's go in here and get this chicken, young. Check it out, y'all. Got these fries. Man, look at them Jones. Nice and golden brown. Got this chicken. Man, what? Hey, man, this chicken is pressure, young. Look at this shit, bro. Like, look at this Jones. Like, what? Tell me that Jones don't look delicious, young. Yeah. I got this coleslaw. Their coleslaw is really good, y'all. Like, yeah. Like, that Jones hit. Like, that Jones bust, young. Let me try these fries first. Nice and crunchy. And soft on the inside. It's almost like they dip it in like cornmeal or something, man. Like, let me get a bigger fry so you can see. Look at that Jones. That Jones look official, boy. His coleslaw is really good. Like, yeah. Like, oh my God. Like, boy, trying to tell you. It don't hit. Like, yeah. Check it out. Bangin. Try this chicken, y'all. It's just busting. Watch the grease run out of it. That don't hitting. This is the best fried chicken I've had in a long time. Besides my own chicken, like I cook fried chicken because fried chicken's my favorite meal. You know what I mean? Like, no bullshit. But yeah, look, I'm getting ready to scoop the coleslaw up with the french fries. Yeah. Man, y'all just don't know. I'd swear, man, you would think these black people cooking this chicken, bro. Yeah. What? Straight country folk make the best fried chicken I've had. And God, I don't know how long. Bro, y'all just don't know how long it's been, man. This whole meal together, I rate this joint like a 10, bro. Like a 10 out of 10. That's how good their chicken is, man. And that's hard. That means a lot coming from me because my favorite meal is fried chicken. You feel me? So for them to get a 10, You already know what it is. Yeah. It's your boy. I'll holler at you next time. Peace.